Hey mate, I got this really cool pirate logo, but how can I actually save it with a transparent background in Canva? It ain't looking pretty with that white background at all. Yikes.
Sure buddy, let me explain this to you real quick. In Canva, if you go to Elements in the left sidebar and then add a logo from there to your canvas, when you just download that by clicking on Share in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Download below, and then click on Download again here, you will end up with a logo that will look like this here. So there will still be a background that comes with your logo. In order to avoid that, if you just took a logo from Canva's library, like this one here, when you go to Share in the upper right corner of the screen, and then click on Download below, first of all you will need to make sure that the file type here is set to PNG, and then on top of that you have to make sure that the option here, transparent background, is ticked. Now when you click on Download here again, your logo will indeed be saved to the transparent background. It will then simply look like this here, and you can use it wherever you want without any issues. For example, you could put it on a website, or you could put it on top of a background, and so on and so forth. Now if you're working with a logo that still has a background like this one here, to get rid of this background within Canva, all you need to do is to left click on the logo, and then in the upper left corner of the screen you click on Edit Photo, and then you select PG Remover. This will immediately remove the background of your logo. When you download this now though, by going to Share in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Download below, you will still need to make sure that the transparent background option here is indeed ticked before you download it. Because if you don't do that, your logo will still be saved with the background that you can see right here. So it will be saved with this black background right here. And even if you remove that one, your logo will still download with this white background right here, which is actually the default background on Canva. But obviously only if you don't take this transparent background option when downloading from Canva. Now unfortunately, if you're not a Canva Pro member, when you go to Share and then click on Download, you will not be able to take the transparent background option right here, because this is a premium feature. So if that is the case, you can still solve this issue, and here's how you do it. You would simply download the logo like this without taking the transparent background option right here. So you would just click on Download, and then you go to this free website remove.bg and click on Upload Image. Then select the logo with the background that we just downloaded and click on Open. In a matter of seconds, the background of your logo will be removed automatically. Then simply click on Download to save your logo with transparent background. Another website that you can try to remove the background of your logo for free is eastshift.com/remove-background. There simply click on Choose File, then locate your logo on your computer, click on Open, then click on Upload. Once your logo with background is uploaded, below your logo make sure that white here is ticked if you have a white background, or that black is ticked in case you have a black background, and once you've done that, simply click here on Submit. Under Output Image you will then find your logo with transparent background. Now with some logos this works really well, but with others there might be some flaws, but it's definitely worth checking out. Finally, to download your logo with transparent background from this website right here, click on Save in the lower right corner of the screen. And that's it guys, this is how you save a logo with transparent background in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.